Some zip tie. So this is a Timex watch. This the model is Timex Command. The reason I purchased is because of the LCD screen. If you can see that, it has a very unique multi-segment LCD screen. Let me remove the zip ties. It looks like it's tied to the. Let me just carefully remove this one. Okay. Let's see. It's removed. So let's have a look at the watch. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, now it's clearer. So if you can see this carefully, this has one of the most unique LCD screen. It's a typical reflective LCD screen, but the segments are quite interesting because it uses a multi-segment display. It has really nice corners. Let me zoom in a bit more. So now you can see clearly. Hopefully it tracks it. So you can see this thing uses quite a nice font and a multi-segment display. If you look at the seconds, see, it is quite beautiful actually. So that's one of the reasons, and it's quite simple actually. It's very simple. It looks clean. It doesn't have all that fancy thing that is on the G-Shock watch. It has all the information I need. So straightforward. I need the day of the week, which is Tuesday. Then I believe that's some sort of alarm or something. And oh, that's the date. Yeah, on top of it's the month and the day. And then time up to seconds. So that's very simple. So let me see what are the options it has, because I've never used it. So let me just figure it out. Say mode. It has a mode. So it has a chronograph, it looks like. Date and chronograph mode. So where's the start button? I think that's the start. No? Which one starts? It starts. Quite nice. So it has some lap sort of thing. It looks like it has stopped, but it is running inside. Anyway, so it gives you some lap sort of thing. Again, I'll press the mode button. Hopefully it exits. Yeah, it has come out of that. So then it has chronograph and the date, timer. What is that? Hydro, date, chronograph, timer. What is that? I have to read the documentation anyways. Well, this is for setting your time and date. I have to set it because it is not correct. The local time is different than the time set. Probably it's set at the factory where it is made, or maybe the US timings. I don't know. So what's this ST cell does? I don't know how to check. What's that? Indiglo. I think I have to press it. It will. How it will turn on. I have to explore that. But anyway, this for a basic watch, this is quite nice. I'm very happy with it, especially the digits. Big fan of this digit. Quite nice. How do I stop that? Stop. Shows all the details. Reset. Format. Love special. Okay. I don't know what to do. Just started the lab again. Okay, it has reset. Okay, nice. So mode, I'll go to the date again. So let's look at the watch itself. It comes in a velcro strap. I'm okay with it, and has a stainless steel back. It shows some Timex and all that information. I'm happy with it. I'll explore the functions. Very well made. This is not glass. This is most probably plastic. So this will wear out. Basically, it will scratch very easily. So I have to be careful with that. But otherwise, looks to be decently made. It's not small. It's a bit large. And I have not that big hands, but it sits perfectly nicely. Happy with it, yes. Only downside is it is dark. It's difficult to read in the dark. But this is outside, like outdoors use. So basically, I'll wear it while going outside. So it's okay for my use case. But I've rather preferred this fonts to be rather slightly larger fonts. But anyway, this is kind of fine. I'm happy with it, yeah. That's it.